Welcome to Hands-on Web Development with TypeScript and Nest.js. My name is Florian Goto. I specialize in architecting and building web solutions with JavaScript and Node.js. I have worked on projects involving the front-end, the back-end, mobile and cloud-native platforms with global companies. I keep myself updated about open source web and cloud native technologies. You can read my articles and follow me on Medium and LinkedIn. So what are we going to cover in this course? In section 1, we will set up our environment and learn the building blocks of Nest.js. In section 2, we will dive deeper into Nest.js. In section 3, we will start our financial application by building the backend. In section 4, we will build our front-end dashboard with Angular. In section 5, we will integrate both our backend server and the front-end dashboard. And finally, in section 6, we will deploy our app onto cloud services. For this course, you should have prior exposure to Node.js, TypeScript, and Angular, but don't worry, I will do my best to explain everything. Also, you should be familiar with full-stack JavaScript web development. In this course, you will leverage Angular knowledge to build backends. You will gain deep knowledge of the up-and-coming Nest.js backend framework. You will leverage TypeScript as a full-stack web development language. And finally, but most importantly, you will build a real financial application from development to deployment. So let's get started.